Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a Telegram bot for OpenClaw. All right, let's begin. To set up a Telegram bot for OpenClaw, start by opening your Telegram app and searching for BotFather. Initiate a chat and select the new bot command. You will be prompted to choose a display name and a unique username that must end in bot. Once created, BotFather will provide an API access token. Copy this token and head to your terminal's setup wizard. Select Telegram as your gateway and paste the API token when prompted. Finally, return to the BotFather chat. Click the link to your new bot and press Start to begin communicating. This allows you to control your OpenClaw instance directly through your Telegram account. So that's basically how you can create a Telegram bot for OpenClaw. That's it for this video. Thanks.